Turn off the general power switch. Pull off the handbrake. Firstly, check the wheel nuts and battery nuts once a month. Then, fasten the nuts of sunroof, windshield, and seats per 2 months. Otherwise, there may have strange noise of looseness. Lift up the vehicle on lifting platform. Fasten the screws and nuts of chassis per 3 months. Front axle nuts include nuts of front shoot assembly, nuts of arm assembly, nuts of front suspension arm, nuts of knuckle, nuts of front hub, and nuts of steering assembly. Transaction nuts include nuts of rear shock assembly, nuts of motor, nuts of shade screw, and the nuts of torsion bar. For the S-Series vehicles, please also check the nuts of trailing arm.